Hi everyone, it's Gagajoy, Gagajoy's Cooking. Well, today we're doing something real simple, and it's the internet rage. I don't know why, because I love cabbage. I cook it all the time. Anyway, this is just something new going around, so we thought we'd try it. Put about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using avocado oil. I sort of lean towards that anymore. And this, I got about a whole onion, and it wasn't real big. It's a medium onion. It's very few things. It goes to onion, cabbage, pepper. Everybody else is using hamburger. I thought, well, I've got this ham. I thought I'd use ham instead of hamburger. I don't think anybody would object to that, especially my kids. It's funny how the kids come up with these new recipes that we've had for years. But I'm glad they do. Maybe it reminds us to go back to the old things. And this is the strangest thing in our area. The cabbage are so tiny. And I have looked at several stores and found all the same time. So I guess it was another a year for something bad. It didn't do good. Cabbage didn't do good this year. But we got next year, don't we? We went to the markets this year, and nothing did good. I feel sorry for the summer marketers here, because a lot of people, they need that extra money at the end of the year. The gardens didn't do good around here. Well, come on, onions, you slowed it down. Oh yeah, they're still going too slow. Let me know how much you like cabbage. And do you cook it often? I always have a head of cabbage in my refrigerator for something. It's coming right on. Let's go and put our ham in. It's about 2 cups. I think it's a pound of hamburger that everybody uses. Okay. And cabbage up next. You know, I need the core in my cabbage, because we've always liked the core, especially on a little cabbage like this. Even a little cabbage produces a whole lot, doesn't it? Of course, it's sort of wilts when it starts cooking. Looking good, and smells good. Now let's put a cabbage in. What do you think goes with cabbage? If I have cabbage, I usually And this is coleslaw, but normally cabbage is the main part of the meal. Okay, now, just a little salt and pepper. I'm putting half a teaspoon of pepper. And a little bit more salt. So half a teaspoon of salt, because they're both hot. And then later on, we can adjust it, of course. Now, I'm going to put a cup of water right in the middle. And put the lid on for about 5 minutes. Okay, so now I let it cook about 5 minutes, and then I put another half a cup of water in it. And now I'm let the first evaporate, of course. I'm just throwing this at the end because it does look pretty good to me. I'm just going to give it a few more minutes for some of the water to evaporate. This cabbage didn't have as much water as most of them do. Doesn't matter, it's still be good. It smells divine, that's all I can say. Now remember, only thing we had was cabbage, ham, peppers, and onions. I guess that was all. And about 2 tablespoons of oil, any kind that you like. And to top it off, there's calls for 2 tablespoons of butter, which is good. Cabbage and butter go together. Now, it probably could use a little bit more pepper or salt, but I'm not going to add it because that could be something that could be added when it's served. And not everybody can have a lot of salt. But as you see, it turned out beautifully. Let's see if I can get. If you like cabbage and you like ham, you're in hog heaven. That is delicious. I'm trying to swallow. Yep, this is really good. I think we'll make some corn muffins to go with it. Be perfect with it. Well, it's been a good day. I've enjoyed the cabbage and the ham. So try it. Try it. It's a very easy meal. Add a few corn muffins and you're sitting on top of the world. Take care of yourself. Enjoy the day. Remember the joy. Remember our blessings.